Since I'm not allowed to eat the apple pie now because it's 1111 before the countdown 2025. Green tea muna bago alak. So evaluate muna natin ang taste ng Pocky. Pocky.
Pocky.
Ay, Pocky? I thought Pocky. Color white, color green, ada yellow nga Pocky, ada gold, is this gold labs? Gold Pocky, ada red Pocky, and pink nga Pocky. Let us see which one is more delicious. Let's can you open all of them? Let us see. Oh, just like the one pepero?
Yeah, pepero.
Ah! Same lang. I think this is my favorite loves, the almond.
Yeah, that's my favorite. Again.
And then the other one is green. Oh, mint. Matcha, green tea, cream covered biscuit stick.
Yeah.
Loves it so good to my green tea. May masarap si Pocky. Sige, oh. Loves, taste the Pocky. You already taste the Pocky? You're the one. Huh?
Gross.
May Pocky. It's more yummy my Pocky than this. Promise.
There's a pink Pocky.
Pink Pocky. You don't like pink Pocky?
Yeah, I like
You like
your pink
Pocky?
Pocky.
Which color my Pocky loves?
Pink.
Ming. I already. Ah, this is strawberry.
Yeah.
The girls like this loves.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna try it. I never tried that one.
Yummy. At yellow Pocky, ma'am. You already tried it before, loves?
Well,
You never wait for me for.
yeah, I told you. You didn't listen.
This is banana. It's still good. Tastes good. Strawberry, banana, imas. Hindi imas man, hindi ka Pocky. Banana. Habang buy-buy at live countdown in New York. New Year's. 11.
Nashville.
Yeah. Nashville. Lima. Lima sigaw. This one, the cookies and cream. Nalipatan kayo mga Cebuano yun. With tea, naghimas. At yung pepero, kapiting tira, katoy. Naghimas gayam ti green tea. The green tea labs, what is the flavor? The one we make?
Mango steam peach.
Peach, mango, steam. Good partner of this one, green tea.
That's matcha.
Matcha. This ano, green tea. Limas. Ay, apitin sausaw ko. Tanga. Mali. Limas. When we going to find out the ano naman loves, the titi cookies. There's a Pocky, so meaning there's tete. Can we find out? Gatid dog yormut ko ni. Alright, Happy New Year everyone. Say Happy New Year to everyone, loves.
Happy New Year.
That's it.
Yeah.
No more okay na yan.
No, they complain too much when I say no, no.
You have lots of crackers.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because I don't know what it means.
I love you.
Oh, that's right. It does mean Happy New Year. Happy New Year.